Want to check the photos you've backed up to Google Photos? Maybe you're switching phones, or just want to make sure everything's safe in the cloud. Stick with me. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to view your Google Photos backup from any device. Start by opening up a web browser. I'm using Safari, but Chrome or any browser will work. Now in the address bar, type photos.google.com and hit go. If you're not signed in, go ahead and log into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see your entire photo library that has been backed up to Google Photos. You can scroll through all your photos, from oldest to newest, and even search by date, location, or people. Now, if you want to switch to a different Google account, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, then tap on your profile icon. From there, you can switch accounts to see photos backed up to a different email. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future guides like this. You can also use the Google Photos app on your phone. Just install it from the App Store or Play Store, log in, and all your backed up photos will appear there too. To confirm a photo is backed up, tap on any image. If you see the cloud icon with a check mark, that means it's safely stored in the cloud. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.